Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2013 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. A bulb in a staircase has two switches, one switch being at the ground floor and the other one at the first floor. The bulb can be turned on and also can be turned off by any one of the switches irrespective of the state of other switch. The logic of switching of the bulb resembles A. AND gate, B. OR gate, C. XOR gate, D. NAND gate. So it was given that one there is a switch in the staircase which is in between first floor and second floor, and assume that one the switch present in first floor as S1, switch present at ground floor as S0, and this is the bulb which is going to be controlled by using these two switches S1 and S0. So turn on mechanism we are considering turn on mechanism of bulb when the bulb can be turned on. So that S1 and S0 we are going with this one when the bulb will be at one condition. Turn on implies nothing but logic 1. Okay, so you can make the turn on of bulb, that is nothing but you can switch on the bulb by using either S1 or S0. Okay, assume that one using S0 you are making the bulb switch on. Bulb switch on you are doing it, that implies nothing but previously bulb was in the off condition. Otherwise, if it is in the on condition, you no need to press again 1 in the S0 because the switch is already on, the bulb is switched on. So that implies nothing but you are making the bulb on by using switch at ground floor, that implies nothing but previously bulb was in the off condition. Bulb was in the off condition is nothing but in the first floor also the switch is at the ground position, so that you can turn this bulb on. Okay, as well as if you want to make the bulb on by using S1, that is nothing but previously the bulb was off, so S0 must be 0, then only bulb can be on. So bulb can be on only when S1 bar S0 plus S1 S0 bar, that implies nothing but S1 exclusive S0, that is XOR operation. So the bulb operation is indicated with XOR gate. So the right option is nothing but C. Thank you.